This thing has more holes than a spaghetti strainer. Yeah, you could actually drain pasta with the cab of this truck. Holes all over the place, but we're gonna get it fixed. So, Jacob, Kyrie, what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Reagan Ivy.
I love Forever Self-Employed.
What, you don't watch the Odd Rod Garage?
What's that?
No,
Alright, get out.
but it's my house.
I don't care, get out.
But we pay the rent.
I don't care.
Good morning, everybody. Odd Rod Garage here. So today we're going to do some patchwork on Ben's firewall, and I'll show you what we're going to do. Alright guys, so this is the patch we're going to work on today. We'll get started.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have heard the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, sand.
Alright guys, so there's the starts of the patch. Doesn't look too bad. That's a completely muddable item. And finish weld it and it'll be super great. What's up? So this is Odd Rod Garage here, and we're going to do more patch panels on Ben's truck, the firewall here. I'll give you a gander here and see what we're going to work on. So you saw that panel. I still have to finish weld it. Anyway, today we're going to work on this guy right here. We're going to cut the clutch pedal rod, and then we're going to cut this out probably like a rectangle shape, and it'll be awesome. We also have that guy right there, and then this guy over here. We're gonna be working on that stuff too. Alright, so get ready, let's do it.
Bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, watching me clean, kerosene creep. Mama taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them have their own sins, down to the river. Every man is still the same. All our love becomes the same. There he is, as we pray, down to the river, down to the river. Sing, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, singing, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, fire beneath.
You know, obviously you could just have a panel that went over it and just spot weld it on, and it would function correctly, but it wouldn't look as good. Yeah, I was gonna try to fix it, but we have a big huge gap here, and I think by the time we get it flat where it wants to be, it's gonna be a little too much worko. So let's go and make ourselves another patch.
Down to the river, down to the river.
Let's throw it on the ground. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have this patch going. We did this not too long ago. Now we're going to try getting this. But it's just too mangled and I can't get it to bend back. So I'm going to cut a little relief hole and hopefully we can get the perimeter straightened out and then put another patch in there. Alright guys, so there's our patches. They look pretty good. You just use some Bondo on them and it'll be alright. Over here I got a couple more pinholes, just a couple more here. I have to re-weld and anyway, that's all three of these patches are done. The one in the tranny tunnel is done and we have yet to do this, but then that's all the panels. Yay!
Well, Tommy's packing up and going home. One more week in the books. Anyway, as usual, what do you say, Tommy?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.